How do I choose the right portable jump starter for my car? Choosing the right portable jump starter can feel overwhelming, especially for teenagers who are just starting to drive. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. First, consider the power and amperage. The peak amperage tells you how strong the jump starter is. For most cars, a jump starter with 400 to 600 amps is enough. If you drive a larger vehicle like a truck, you might need a jump starter with up to 2000 amps. Always check that the jump starter meets or exceeds your car's battery requirements. Next, think about the battery type and capacity. Jump starters usually come with lithium-ion or sealed lead-acid batteries. Lithium-ion models are lighter and more compact, making them easier to carry. They also hold a charge longer, which is great if you want something that is ready when you need it. The capacity is measured in watt-hours or milliamp-hours, and this affects how many times you can jump start your car before needing to recharge the jump starter. Another important factor is the cable length and clamp quality. Look for jump starters with cables that are at least 24 inches long. This gives you enough room to connect to your car battery without any awkward positions. Sturdy clamps with good insulation are also essential to prevent sparks or short circuits. Safety features are key, especially for teens. Choose a jump starter that has built-in protections like reverse polarity protection. This feature prevents damage if you accidentally connect the clamps incorrectly. Overcurrent protection and short-circuit protection are also important. Some models even have indicator lights or sounds to guide you during use. You might also want to consider additional features. Many jump starters come with extras like LED flashlights, USB ports for charging devices, or air compressors for tires. While these features are nice, remember that the main function is to jumpstart your car. Size and portability matter too. If you plan to store the jump starter in your car or backpack, look for a model that is small and lightweight but still powerful enough for your vehicle. Ease of use is another factor to keep in mind. Look for jump starters with simple controls, like just a power button and clear indicators. Some models even have override buttons to help start stubborn batteries. As a new driver, you want something that is straightforward and easy to operate. Finally, consider the price and reliability. Jump starters can vary widely in cost. While it may be tempting to go for a cheaper option, investing in a reliable brand with good reviews can save you trouble later. A mid-range jump starter with solid specifications and good safety features is often the best choice. If your car has been sitting unused for a long time, the battery may be weak or dead. A good portable jump starter can help you start your car without needing another vehicle. Always keep the jump starter charged and stored in your car. Practice how to use it safely before you actually need it. By choosing the right portable jump starter, you will feel more confident and prepared as you navigate your journey as a new driver.